boring. I need a vacation. But how?
Hey, Jupiter,
But should be in this
no,
estimate
put want
anytime.
more energy, please.
Easy. Just call my neighbors. They might have spare time. Anyway, I want to visit this to know what this is. And another one in Oregon. That's it. Good luck. My neighbors are warm-hearted. Turning my face 90 degrees. What is this? Why not Alpha Centauri? They all have planets to care. The big oceans. Are you serious?
Stop that pun.
Enough to hold that Jupiter. I'm used to what just happened? Question mark? Oh God. Aren't you having a planet?
Just a boring gas giant. They have their planet. They don't want to come.
My ring is silly. Warm. Wow. So why don't you just let this one... What's up, Uranus? Nothing really. Just some sudden coldness. No. Yes. Oh, sorry, I have my planets. Now what? Go replace the sun? No. Wander. Rouge. We just wait until... Huh? What is this? Is this laser? My best nightmare. Too hot. What's happening to Titron? Oh no, it's so weird. Seriously? Oof. It's like a 4.6 billion years ago. What is this? My giant star in Orion, and it blows up. What are you doing? Wow, this can't get any worse now. Oof, too bright. You're right. Wow. Hey. What should we do now? That's what I want to ask you. That cat? He's annoying. What's going on? Where's my ice? I give up. Ah. Can't get me. Ah. Okay, I give up to the solar wind. Can I be a planet now? Oof. I'm back. It's awesome. Can we do this again? No. Impossible. Uranus, leave a like, please. Where can we travel to? 1407?